Take a moment to sit comfortably, allowing your body to relax. Close your eyes and breathe deeply, letting each inhale fill you with calm, and each exhale release any tension you may be holding. Now, focus on your heart. With each breath, feel warmth and kindness growing there. This is your space of self-love, and it is always here for you, no matter what. As you continue breathing, silently say to yourself, "I am enough." Let these words settle in your heart. Feel their truth. You are enough, just as you are. No need to change. No need to be more than you are in this moment. Let go of the pressure to be perfect. Picture yourself standing in front of a mirror. See yourself clearly. Notice your reflection. This person is strong, capable, and worthy. As you look into your own eyes, feel a deep connection to your true self. You are powerful, and that power comes from your unique spirit. Say to yourself, "I am worthy of love and respect." I deserve to feel confident. Let those words flow through you like a wave of gentle energy. With every breath, you are letting go of doubt and replacing it with a quiet, unshakable belief in yourself. Now, imagine a bright light above you, representing your inner confidence. See it growing and filling you from head to toe with warmth and strength. You are glowing with the belief that you are enough. With each inhale, you draw in confidence and self-love. With each exhale, release any lingering doubts. You are stepping into a space of self-assurance, where low self-esteem fades away. Stand tall in this light and remind yourself, you are capable, valuable, and deserving. Confidence is within you now. Breathe in deeply, letting this new sense of self settle within you. Know that you can return to this feeling of confidence anytime you need it. It is always here, waiting for you to embrace it. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers, roll your shoulders, and gently open your eyes. You are confident, you are worthy, and you are ready to shine.